MadeOnAMobile Filmmaking with education staff from the Royal Botanic Gardens Edinburgh. Founded in 1670 and just a mile outside the city centre, few locations are as ideally suited and have so much to offer a day of filming. With 72 acres of plants, pathways and woodland at their disposal, my students are prepped and ready to make short films using their smartphones. Here's what they had to say about MadeOnAMobile.